Starting out with whale oven recipes. Today I'm going to be air frying codfish in the NuWave Bravo XL Smart Oven. Although I'm using the NuWave Bravo, if you have a different type of cooker like the Breville Smart Oven Air, or you have another type of air fryer, you can give this same recipe a try. So let's get started now. Okay, so for my air fried codfish fillets here, I'm going to just run through the ingredients. I've got 4 codfish fillets. These were formerly frozen. I let them thaw, and I wouldn't try and do this air frying of codfish fillets from directly frozen. Just my personal recommendation there. I've got 4 large eggs. I've got 2 cups of buttermilk. I'm going to be trying buttermilk for this one. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of yellow cornmeal. I've got a 1/4 cup of Old Bay seasoning, and I've got some cooking spray. So just to talk through what I'm going to do first, I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients together in a bowl as my egg wash, mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl as my breading. So I'm going to get those mixed up now. Alright, so I've got my egg wash together, got my breading together. Now I'm simply going to dip each codfish fillet into the egg wash, then into the breading, and then get them each on the crisper tray. Alright, now that I've got the codfish all breaded up, I'm going to take the cooking spray, spray it all over all sides of the codfish fillets. I knocked some of my breading off, so I'm just putting a little extra on this top side and just going to spray it. Alright, so I got them all sprayed up. I've got racks on the lowest and on the 3rd rack up, because I'm going to put the air fryer basket on the 3rd rack up, and I'm going to put this baking pan underneath on the bottom rack to catch any drippings. So going to get those into the NuWave Bravo XL Smart Oven Air Fryer now. As I mentioned, if you got a Breville Smart Oven Air, you got a Power Air Fryer Oven 360, or if you have other cookers, you can try the same recipe. I've got a video on the channel already for doing this in the NuWave oven. If you have other types of air fryers, you can give this a shot also. So I've got it in there. Going to turn the NuWave Bravo on. Now that it's on, I just hit menu to go to air fry, upping the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Hit time temp and go up to 20 minutes. This air fryer doesn't do any type of preheat or anything. It just gets right into air fry. So going to hit start. Gonna let that do some cooking. Bring you back in a bit. Alright, we're coming into the final seconds of the 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Just turn it off there, turn the light on. Now since this has been cooking at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, I see no need to temperature test. I am confident the meat is fully cooked as far as food safety is concerned. But this is our finished product. Alright, so I'm going to get one of these codfish fillets off and just try and scrape the bottom a little to make sure that any breading that went through the air fry basket doesn't stick things down. You probably don't want to put your hand under there because it's pretty hot. I'm going to try and get this one up because it's probably going to be easier to get this one up than the one in the back there. So there we have our air fried codfish fillet. Going to just put it on the plate there for a sec, and I'll just flip it quickly. I want you to see the opposite side. It has some fry on the opposite side. Some of the breading came through, but has some fry on that side also. I don't really like trying to flip fish because it's so fragile, but you can see it's pretty well air fried on both sides. And so, it's a pretty presentable air fried fish there. I mean, anybody that looks at this won't be able to tell you where it came from. And it has the flavor to match, I'm pretty sure. But we're going to get the camera flipped around, do a taste test, and confirm that right now. All right, our air fried codfish from the NuWave Bravo XL Smart Oven Air Fryer. You can try it in your cooker. Let's do a taste test. Breaks off flaky. Smoking, piping hot still. I'm trying to blow it. Don't want to burn myself. All right, so that buttermilk gives a nice crunchy exterior, and so it's, nice soft fish inside and a nice little crunch on the exterior. Is pretty good. Like I said, nobody, I don't think, will be able to tell where it came from if you ask them what it was cooked in. So if you want your air fried codfish and you want it, to have a real nice style you're used to, this is a good way to do it, by my recommendation. And so you can get this and other written recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can get direct access to this YouTube channel by going to waveovenrecipes.com. On Twitter at Wave Oven Recipes. Pictures will be on Instagram along with earlier cooks at Wave Oven Recipes on Instagram. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments. Share the video with a friend. Subscribe to the channel, and good eating.